Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tegs. Basically, my real name is Darwin. I go by Tegs. You can check me out on Instagram. Handle name is _DXP_edition 1303. So look me up. I'll be posting some of my stuff over there. Basically, mainly my little mighty Maverick over here. It's a 2022 Ford Maverick. And basically, I got this truck off of Vegas. The guy's behind the camera. He's from Vegas, and I appreciate you putting me on camera. I'm a little bit shy, but I'll go ahead and do a walk around for you guys so I can introduce you to the little mighty Maverick. It's a 2022 FX4 package Ford Maverick. Basically, what I've done with the Maverick, as you can see, the grill. I got the little Raptor grill. It's just an aftermarket upgrade compared to the stock ones. Also, you looking at my ditch lights over here. It's sponsored by Diode Dynamics, so check them out, folks. If you guys want to go ahead and shop around, check diodynamics.com. Use the code Darwin, DARWIN. All right, and so you're looking at the XLT model. I had the XLT FX4 wheels back then, but then I downgraded to the Steelies, basically an XL model, base model wheel set, powder coated. Angel Franco from Las Vegas, powder coating, powder working wheels done. Hit him up. He's on Instagram as well. I don't know his handle name, but his name is Angel Franco. Looking at the Maverick here, the roof is equipped with inner rack. Inner rack is basically a simple, very minimalistic approach on a clip-on roof rack that I have with the fairing along with it. Basically, this piece came off of my 2000 Mitsubishi Galant, and they share the same exact model fitment and pretty much adapted on the Maverick. So that's what you're looking at. And one of the biggest things that I've done in this little mighty Maverick, as you can see, Packout campers, guys. Packout campers. We're all based from Las Vegas. Check us out on our webpage, packoutcampers.com, or Instagram, Packout, I think _USA. Check us out. You'll see most of the other application for different types of vehicles. You can message us if you want to inquire about how you can order. I think our lead time is basically around 10 to 12 weeks, just depending on type or model of vehicle that you have. But we can do it all. So just so you know, basically you're looking at a basic model camper shell, wedge tent. We got the 3 gold wing window that are powered with gas struts, so it is pretty sturdy. You got this locking mechanism that comes with your key, so you can secure all your personal properties in there. I don't have any window yet, but the rear one I will have it installed probably next couple of weeks, just depending on the time or how busy we are. So and if you look inside here, I don't have anything that's mounted, but I am planning on doing a slide out kitchen in the future. So basically that's going to act as a platform that you can access the bed. This is the bed that comes with a 3-inch mattress. I got all my bedding stuff in there. I got a blanket, basically a sleeping bag and 2 pillows. If you want to go ahead and climb up there, you are more than welcome to, just to kind of give it a look. Watch your head. So basically this panel, you got the bigger side panel, which is your sleeping space, and you have this other panel here for if you bring it down, basically it acts as your privacy. It closes out your entire sleeping space. And if you don't want to use it, you can basically lift this up. So go ahead and I'll show you. It's a matter of just like giving a quick push. And if you don't want to use your bedding right now, your bigger panel, you can pull this smaller panel here. Let me climb up a little bit. So let's just say you happen to be camping and it's raining out. And that's the beauty of having some windows on the side, but this is the basic model that you can just check it out. And this smaller panel acts as basically your door, and then you can move this 3-inch mattress, little piece of mattress here, put it right there, and then stand up on this side. You come right around this window over here. Sorry about that. All right, so you're looking at this smaller panel, basically your access point to the bigger panel, and use this as your workspace. You can eat here while it's raining and enjoy the view outside. Let's just happen, let's just say you happen to be camping out in the beautiful scenery. You can enjoy all that while you're inside. And this has a lot of room. I'm about 5'10", 5'11". I mean, a person that has a taller in height, probably an 8-footer, not 8-footer, but 7-footer can actually fit in here and then kind of slouch a little bit. But yeah, so basically that's what your sleeping space look like up here. And then before you actually close the entire roof, you would have to close these guys first. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that a little bit here. Oh, don't forget, if you open this bigger panel here, this creates another space here that you can actually utilize if you want to go ahead and move, create more space on down below. You can basically just put all your stuff, all your storage unit in here, and then move around freely right on this 4.5 by 4.5 bed space on the little Maverick truck. It's a lot for me, for a single guy like me. And I do have a 7-year-old. I want to say hi to my son, Devin. That's the reason why I came up with that handle DXP, because he is Devin Zander. So let me go ahead and step out and show you guys the other thing. Oh, excuse the little guy in my back. This is Drax, my 2-year-old Yorkie poop. And he's just chilling on the back of my backpack for hiking, which is jerry rigged. So I think basically what you're looking at right now is this is an existing piece of equipment that I have from my 2001 Xterra, and this is by OVS, Overland Vehicle System. It's a 270 Batwing awning that they pretty much adapted by creating or fabricating a piece of mounting point. So now you can pretty much adapt any awning just by using this bracket. It has a pretty good offset, so that way when you bring this roof down, it will not impede anything. Like if you want to fold the tent, it would not obstruct anything out of the way. So, and I think that's pretty much all. You're looking at the roof. You forgot about the roof. This is an add-on feature that we just did last minute. Basically, I'm supposed to get this beautiful Kuat rack, this bike rack with a proprietary bike mount. It has a different angle compared to the Maverick framing system. Basically, it's just it's an extrusion bar that has a T-channel that you can attach pretty much anything. You can buy it off, Amazon, or like I said, we can create it for your own, for your own use, so you can utilize it. I'm a big fan of mountain biking, so we added this crossbar feature. We're using I think it's a 10 series extrusion bar with a 3D printed end cap to make it look super clean. And I think I've done a pretty good job. Jags, thank you again for helping me out create this ultimate build. Basically, it's a small truck, but this thing has such a big heart, and it offers what I, basically look for, doing simple camping, overlanding, off-roading, just basically it's a little truck, but it does what it does just like a big truck would. So And that's pretty much it. What I have on this build. So I wanted to go ahead and appreciate, thank you, and appreciate for including me on your channel. Mike behind the camera. Wait until he do the post editing, and I just wanted to say thank you. And also Overland Expo West 2024. Thank you again. I know this is my first time, but actually showcasing our products, and this is my third time here. But being part of this event and being the only Maverick that you can only imagine that's sitting in this nice little area right here, we get some real good traffic. I just want to thank you, and I feel super blessed for, you know, I'm not going to ask for anything more, but being grateful and thankful for all of this.
You are correct. This is Mike behind the camera. The Maverick is a very rare vehicle to see in Overland Expo because this is the only Maverick I've seen all weekend long. And it's a very popular platform. It's I think the Maverick is back ordered right now. I think there's a 5-month wait.
It is a long wait, for sure.
So, and it's selling pretty well. And I was actually surprised that I haven't seen many in an Overland type situation.
Exactly. So
You are the first person I've seen who's converted a Maverick into an overlanding vehicle. This is a rare vehicle. If other Maverick owners have questions
Sure.
about your particular build,
Absolutely.
how again do they get a hold of you?
You can hit me up on Instagram. You can send me a message through there. Like again, I think it's _DXB _edition _1303. Okay. I go by tags. My real name is Darwin, so you can actually look me up there. I don't have any TikTok channel or anything like that, but that's just pretty much it. Oh, Maverick Truck Forum, actually. It's a little forum that we have. I just want to go ahead and give him a shout out for accepting me and my little tiny build here. I really hope that this creates a positive, you know, effect for you guys, for you who are planning on doing some overlanding project. I think our little Maverick truck is super capable of doing what other truck would be doing too. So except for rock crawling, okay? No rear lockers yet, but check out that tremor. But thank you again so much, you guys. I appreciate it. And do you have any other question, Mike?
That's it for me. Thank you very much.
Man, I appreciate it again.